Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to integrate your image slider into your website by adding beautiful gradients to the borders. Let's get started. First, go to your Common Ninja editor. Now click on the Look and Feel tab. Here you'll see the Carousel style field. Now click on Gradient Color. This color is actually our default setting, and you will immediately see how it adds a lovely gradient to the widget's borders. If your web page background isn't white, but another color, for example blue, you can easily match the gradients to your page. In the gradient field, you can control how smooth the gradient appears. Adjust the gradient smoothness to your liking to ensure a seamless blend that looks integrated and professional. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching!